Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram experience and keep things a bit more private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide account suggestions on profiles using Instagram's latest update, all from your PC. This is a super handy trick if you want to keep your profile looking clean and avoid having suggested accounts pop up for your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a little person. That's your profile icon. After you click on your profile icon, your profile page will open. Here, look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually near the top of your profile, right next to your username. Go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Now, you'll see a page where you can update your profile information. But what we're interested in is a little further down. Scroll until you find the option that says Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. This setting controls whether Instagram shows your account as a suggestion on other people's profiles and vice versa. To hide these suggestions, simply uncheck or disable the box next to Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom and click Submit or Save to make sure your changes stick. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned off account suggestions on your profile. Now, when someone visits your Instagram page from their browser, they won't see those extra suggested accounts popping up. It's a small change, but it can make your profile feel a lot more personal and focused. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.